everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm answering the question how to make a Westpac online banking account, that is creating a Westpac online banking account. And this is a very straightforward process for existing Westpac customers. Now the first thing you need to do is visit the Westpac website or download the Westpac app. Now go to the official Westpac Australia website or download the Westpac app from App Store or Google Play depending on the device you're using. Then initiate registration. On the website, look for the sign in button and then find the option to register your online banking. If you're using the app, tap existing customer and then register for online banking. Next, you need to enter your personal details to verify identity. This typically includes your Westpac your Westpac card number or customer ID. Your customer ID can usually be found on your bank statement or an email from Westpac when you open the account. You'll be asked to enter your name, your date of birth. You answer security questions to confirm your identity. These are questions that only you should know the answer to. Next, you choose a secure password for your online banking account. Ensure it meets the specific criteria, that is the minimum length, inclusion of numbers and letters. Then you verify your email address and phone number. It's important for security and communication purposes, including for Westpac Protect SMS code if applicable. Next is to complete registration. Follow any remaining prompt to finalize the registration. And once you're registered, you can use your customer ID and the password you created to sign in to Westpac online banking via the website or the mobile app. And let me give you important information. This guide that I just gave you is for existing Westpac Australia customers. Now, if you are a new customer opening an account online, you may be automatically registered for online banking during that process. If you encounter any issues during registration or you do not have the necessary details, you can simply contact Westpac directly for assistance. Their contact information is available on their official website. Always ensure you are on the official Westpac webpage, the Westpac website, or using the legitimate Westpac app for your security. Be wary of any requests for personal banking information through unofficial channels. Hope you found this video helpful.